Unlock the secrets to turning your clutter into cash. Discover how to sell on Facebook Marketplace like a pro and what your profits soar. Whether you are clearing out or your garage or launching a side hustle. So hey guys and welcome in this video where I will show you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into facebook.com. This is the homepage as you can see. You can also use an application which called Facebook and then you upload it. So selling on Facebook Marketplace is a game changer for anyone looking to declutter or start a side hustle. In this video, we will delve into the ultimate steps for creating a catchy listings, setting competitive prices, and maximizing reach, from choosing the right keywords to mastering negotiation tactics. We will cover everything you need to know to sell successfully. Stick around until the end for exclusive insights that could skyrocket your sales. So the first thing that you have to do is just click over here, then you scroll down, you will find here marketplace. So you have just to click over it and you'll find this page. So we have here browse all, so this is the home page. Then you have a notification also, inbox, you have pending payments, paid, to be dispatched, cash on delivery, completed also. Then you have your paying, you have save, your alerts, following marketplace profile also. Then you have setting here, send dashboard, there's lessons, announcements, insights, marketplace for profile. Then we have filters also, sorts by, and then we have studies also. Then we have also location and niches or categories. You have just to select the one you want. For example, we have vehicles, property for rent, classified. Then we have clothing, electronics, entertainment, family, free stuff. So selling on Facebook Marketplace offers numerous benefits, including access to a vast audience of local buyers, making it easier to sell items quickly. The platform allows for seamless communication, enabling direct interactions with potential customers. Additionally, it's user-friendly and free to use, eliminating the need for license fees found on other marketplaces, with tools to create upon license and options for sharing within local groups. Sellers can maximize visibility and increase their chances of successful sales, all while fostering a sense of community. So we have just to click over create a new lesson. Then we have here choose lesson type. We have lessons, seller help also. We have choose lesson type. We have item for sale. Create a single lesson for one or more items to sell. Then we have vehicle for sale. Sell a car, van, or other type of vehicle. Then we have property for sale or rent. List a house or flat for sale or rent. You have just to click over this one. Then you will find this page. So we have item for sale. We have just to add a photo firstly. Then you click over open. Then if you scroll down, we have your upload photos directly from your phone. You can just use it also. Then we have about required to be as descriptive as possible. You write a title, basketball shoes. Then we have the price also, $50 for example. Then we have the category. We have antiques and collectibles, arts and crafts, vehicles, parts and accessories, baby products, bags and luggage. You have book, films and music, mobile phones and accessories, clothing and shoes and accessories, and a various niche. So you can just click over, for example, here we have clothing, shoes and accessories. Of course we have a shoes. You have men's clothing, men's shoes, women's clothing, and I will just click over men's shoes or men's or women's shoes. Then we have men's boots, men's sandals, slippers, athletic shoes. So I will choose this one. Then we have here condition, new, used, like new, used code, then we have used fair. So I'll click over this one. Then we have more details here, attract more interest by including more details. Just to switch on, we have your post listing after it's been published, and the step to post your listing after it's published to help you reach more potential buyers by turning it into an ad. You have your hide from friends. This listing is still public but will be hidden from your friends on Facebook and Messenger in most cases. You have your marketplace items are public and can be seen by anyone on or off Facebook. Items such as animals, drugs, weapons, counterfeits, and other items that infringe intellectual property aren't allowed on Marketplace. See our commerce policies. Then you click over next and you get started. But before you have just to write main shoot size. Example, you choose how it sits. Then we have here the brand, you have your Nike, activity also, basketball, color, red and black. Then we have description, shoes, basketball. We have product tags, also SKU, location, and we have here meetup preference. Buyers will be able to see your preference on your listing. Public meetup. Then we have your door pickup, door drop off. Then you click over next. And also we have your marketplace items are public and can be seen by anyone on or off Facebook. Items such as animals, drugs, weapon, counterfeit, and other items that infringe intellectual property aren't allowed on Marketplace. See our commerce policies. Then you click over next and you're done with that. So selling on Facebook Marketplace presents a unique opportunity to reach a broad audience while enjoying a straightforward and cost-effective selling experience. By leveraging its features and engaging with local buyers, you can turn unwanted items into cash and potentially grow a driven side businesses. Embrace the platform's potential and watch your sales flourish. So this is how it works with Facebook. You can just get started as soon as possible and you will earn money because Facebook is very popular and most of people use it. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you guys in the next video.